One of the things that I find with both seasoned traders and brand new people that are trying to get into the trading business is that they're always shifting or looking for maybe that holy grail, that ultimate vehicle to find something that works. There are going to be moments, depending on where we are in the volatility cycle, where we are in the trading cycle, what you're trading, how you trade it, that you're going to be able to make more money trading directionally, and you're going to make at times more money trading when there is no direction or lack of direction. One of the things I want to point out is this constant state of trade switching, or trying again to find that new holy grail. You've got to focus on one or two core ideas, stick with them, and here's 4 simple ways that you can do this in your trading. First, we've talked a little bit about setting up the go-to trades. You need to assess what is important in your trading life. What should I really be working on as a trader? What is important to finding the next trade? I know it's not the million little things that are going on in the background that are distracting you, so focus is a real key point. It's something big that you may be avoiding to find the simple trade idea. So take a step back and re-examine what is important to finding the next trade as far as what your parameters set up. Number 2, simplify. Constant switching of trade mechanisms and ideas means you're overloaded and you've taken on too much. There's really, I always say this to people, there's really only 3 trades. If you're going to be day trading, you really can't handle, the mind can't handle more than, say, maybe an oil, gold, and a financial type of trade setup in a day. So don't try to take on more than you can choose, unless you are a portfolio manager, and in that case you're probably holding positions long and short for a much longer of time. So simplify. Don't take on as much. You don't need a lot of activity to find the very good setups. Just focus on what you need to find the next trade. That might mean stepping away from the screens more, again, giving yourself some diversions, positive diversions during those times. Number 3, clear everything on your trading day schedule. If it's those first couple hours, the last couple hours that are most important in finding your trade setups, clear that time. Don't book outside appointments that will affect your trading, whether it's with your kid's school or having a meeting on a board. Anything that can interfere with that trading focused time, clear it. Don't buy into the noise that can go on. Close some of the tabs. I know I'm guilty of this. Close some of the tabs that you're reading and focus on that later in the day when you're done trading. Number 4, always stay in the moment. And this is what the market profile tool really helps me to do as a trader. It tells me, in essence, and I say this to people all the time, that what it provides me is an opportunity to look at the cards, much like when you're watching the World Series of Poker. I get to see all the cards as a purveyor of watching the game, but all those people at the game don't get to see the cards that you and I as the viewer on television. Market profile, however, allows me to look at the cards and before making my next decision and assessing what is important, simplifying my trading, and clearing everything on my desk, allows me to stay in the moment. That is number 4. So hope that is some good guidance for you today. Again, don't rush around looking for the next hot thing. Stick with what works, and again, understand that not everything, again, in this business is linear and is going to go always up and always down. You've got to find that middle ground and be good with it and understand what type of environment you're behaving in, and you too will be a successful trader. Join us if you have any questions. Drop us a line at info@mistrade.info, and we look forward to hearing from you. Take care.